Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing boat neck kurti cutting. You can use the same pattern to cut boat neck top, dress, etc. So let's get started. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. Firstly, cut out required length including seam allowance from the fabric. I folded the fabric twice in width as print direction is off grain. Now I'll mark the measurements. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. For boat neck, we take half of shoulder width just like regular kurti because boat neck is broad but not deep, so it balances it out. And we don't need to add or deduct inches in shoulder measurement. So in my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch and half of it is 6.75 inch. So I'll just mark a point at 6.75 inch. Neck width, usually we keep neck width 3 inch, but for boat neck, take it between 4 inch to 5 inch depending on the size or preference of the person. For my measurement, I'm marking it on 4.5 inch. Mark half inch downwards for shoulder slope and join it to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch for my measurement. I'll just extend this point. Mark 1 inch inwards and join it to the shoulder slope point. Now from the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch, shoulder to apex or burst point, 14 inch, shoulder to waist point, and 21 inch, shoulder to hip point. Extend these points. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. 28 plus 2 is 30 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.5 inch. For hip, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, hip round is 37 inch. 37 plus 3 is 40 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 10 inch. Now I'll join these points. Give slight curve to this pointed shape. So in my measurement, hip round is 10 inch. I'll add 1 inch for bottom measurement. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So I'll mark a point at 11 inch. Join these points. Adding seam allowance. Now I'll draw armhole curves. Mark midpoint on both lines. This is 7 inch, so midpoint will be 3.5 inch, half of 7. – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – Now I'll draw back and front armhole curve. Now I'll draw neckline. So neck width is 4.5 inch and neck depth is 3 inch. For boat neck, take neck depth between 2.5 inch to 4 inch, not more than that, else you won't get proper shape and your shoulders will also drop. For my measurement, I'm keeping neck depth at 3 inch. Again, mark neck width point. Join these points. Now I'll draw boat shape. For boat neck, we keep front and back neck depth same. So this is the marking for boat neck kurti. Now I'll cut it. So I've cut the kurti except neckline because I'll cut it while stitching, which I'll share in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.